Mates are the backbone of Onshape's assembly modeling and simulation. With Onshape mates, designers can start motion planning much earlier in the design process because they work at a higher level of abstraction. In this suspension model, we can model a ball joint using the ball mate. Designers simply specify which mate connectors they want to pair in order to create the mate. In use cases such as this ball mate, you will need to create a mate connector between entities for proper modeling of the mate. In this tech tip, we'll take a quick look at 3 ways we can create this mate connector. The Between Entities option is the most direct way to find the exact center between two entities, such as an edge and a face. It's the most convenient option when you need the exact midpoint without performing any measurements. Sometimes when the exact spot you need for a mate connector is not a midpoint, the more convenient option can be to anchor a mate connector to a feature such as an edge and specify an offset. You can also use formulas to calculate the position. Finally, new in Onshape, you have the ability to create a mate connector with another mate connector as its reference. This can be convenient when a CAD feature is not readily available as the entity to anchor your mate connector on.